Hi everybody, this is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Today we're talking about almonds, and I have a list of foods in different categories that are known to pair well with almonds. So if you're looking for some meal ideas, hopefully this will help you out. In the protein category, including legumes, nuts, and seeds, we know that chicken pairs well with almonds, and fish and other seafood, hazelnuts, pecans, pine nuts, pistachios, sesame seeds, tofu, and walnuts all pair well with almonds. In the way of vegetables, there's arugula, green beans, bell peppers, broccoli, Brussels sprouts, cabbage, especially Napa cabbage, carrots, cauliflower, celery, celery root, chilies, garlic, greens, kale, leeks, mushrooms, onions, rhubarb, spinach, tomatoes, watercress, and zucchini. In the way of fruits, apples pair well with almonds, apricots, bananas, berries, cherries, citrus fruits, coconut, cranberries, currants, dates, figs, fruits in general, grapes, lemon, lime, nectarines, olives, oranges, passion fruit, peaches, pears, plums, quinces, raisins, raspberries, and strawberries. In the way of grains and grain products, there is barley, bread, including toast, bulgur, cornmeal, couscous, noodles, oats, oatmeal, polenta, and rice. In the way of dairy and non-dairy foods, there's butter, cheese, especially blue cheese, cream cheese, goat cheese, ricotta, and romano, cream, ice cream, mascarpone, milk, and that could be dairy or non-dairy, and yogurt. In the other foods category, there's amaretto, brandy, caramel, chocolate of all types, cocoa, cacao nibs, coffee, honey, lavender, fruit liqueurs, maple syrup, molasses, oil, especially olive oil, pralines, rum, sauces of different types, sherry, soy sauce, sugar, vanilla, and vinegar. I do hope this helps to give you some ideas for something to do with the almonds that you have. This is Judy at Judi in the Kitchen. Bye for now.